All right, let's get the walk around the top side since we saw the bottom a minute ago. That's the new wood in the bed I was talking about. It just looks so good. Of course, it's got cat paw prints up front because as soon as you get something nice, the cat walks on it. "4901 Ohio Garden Road." That's near Fort Worth. It's a suburb of Fort Worth. It's Oak Grove or something like that. I forget the name. Ellison's TV, radio, refrigeration, sales, and service. MA 65402. BR 549. There goes Ellison. Man, that paint only looked like that one time in its life. Someone's painted the rims and added a chrome ring. I'm not sure if that chrome ring was stock equipment or not. Probably not, since it didn't come with blinkers. Why would it come with chrome on the wheels? Come around the front. I rubbed it down with boiled linseed oil yesterday, and one thing I learned was the guy on the YouTube video, when I was looking for ways to protect the patina, the guy on the YouTube video said don't worry about a lint-free cloth. Well, I should have worried about a lint-free cloth. Or I may have skipped a step. And some people say Scotch-Brite the heavy flaky rust down first, and I didn't do that. And it was pretty dry, pretty flaky on the top. I'll do that next time. Yeah. I hate to put anything abrasive on it. I don't want to. The paint is so perfect, I don't want to mess that up. Let's look at the inside, then we'll look at the motor. I mean, the patina is just everywhere. And beautiful. New seat cover because it was trashed. Starter's still on the floor. It had a headliner in it at one time. That's kind of cool. Let's take a look under here. Six-cylinder. Oh, awesome that firewall looks.